Cat versus dog, which one should you get? Cats and dogs are two of the most popular household pets in the world, and each has its own unique characteristics and personalities. There has long been a debate over whether cats or dogs make better pets, and both sides have their arguments. In this video, we will explore the differences between cats and dogs and try to determine which one is the better pet. First, let's take a look at cats. Cats are known for their independence and aloofness, and they often spend much of their day sleeping. They are relatively low-maintenance pets and can be left alone for long periods of time, making them ideal for busy individuals. They are also typically easier to care for than dogs, as they do not need to be walked or bathed as frequently. Cats are also very clean animals and spend a significant amount of time grooming themselves. They are known for their agility and athleticism, and many cats enjoy playing and chasing toys. However, they are not as social as dogs and do not typically bond with their owners in the same way. Cats can be affectionate, but they are often more independent and prefer to be left alone when they want to be. Now let's take a look at dogs. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection towards their owners, and they are often referred to as man's best friend. They are social animals and enjoy spending time with their owners and other dogs. They require more attention and care than cats, including daily walks, regular grooming, and training. Dogs come in a variety of breeds and sizes, each with its own unique personality and temperament. Some breeds are more active and require lots of exercise, while others are more laid back and enjoy relaxing with their owners. Dogs can be trained to perform a variety of tasks and are often used as service animals, such as guide dogs for the blind. So, which one is better? It ultimately depends on your lifestyle and preferences. If you are looking for a low-maintenance pet that is independent and doesn't require a lot of attention, a cat may be the best choice for you. However, if you are looking for a loyal companion that will provide you with unconditional love and companionship, a dog may be the better choice. The cat versus dog debate will likely continue for years to come, as both animals have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. Ultimately, the decision comes down to personal preference and lifestyle. Regardless of which one you choose, both cats and dogs can make wonderful pets and provide you with years of love and companionship. In short, in my opinion, cats are more convenient than dogs if you live in an apartment and do not have time to walk your dog regularly. Unless you can pay a dog walker to do that for you. But if you are fine to go outside often and take your dog for a walk and want to get a dog, then dog may be equally good choice. Plus, dogs do tend to be more friendly and subordinate than cats. Cats are more independent and kinder of self-spirited individualist animals. While dogs are pack animals, meaning, they like frequent company of people or other dogs. It is worth noting that owning a pet, whether it is a cat or a dog, is a big responsibility. Pets require a lot of attention and care, and it is important to make sure you can provide for their needs before bringing them into your home. This includes providing them with proper food, shelter, exercise, and veterinary care. In addition, it is important to consider the cost of owning a pet. While cats are typically less expensive to care for than dogs, both require financial resources for food, toys, grooming supplies, and veterinary bills. It is important to budget for these expenses before deciding to adopt a pet. Another factor to consider is the living environment. While both cats and dogs can live in apartments or small homes, dogs typically require more space and may need access to a yard for exercise. Cats, on the other hand, are more adaptable to smaller living spaces and can often thrive in apartments. Overall, the decision between owning a cat or a dog ultimately comes down to personal preference. Both animals can make wonderful pets and provide companionship and love to their owners. Whether you are a cat person or a dog person, there is no denying the joy and happiness that a furry companion can bring into your life. It is also important to note that cats and dogs have different temperaments and personalities, and this can affect their behavior towards their owners and other animals. Cats are known for their independent nature and may not always be interested in interacting with their owners. They are also more territorial and may not get along with other cats or dogs in the household. Dogs, on the other hand, are social animals and crave attention and affection from their owners. They are also more prone to separation anxiety and may become destructive or develop behavioral issues if left alone for long periods of time. Training and socialization are also important factors to consider when choosing between a cat or a dog. Dogs require more training and socialization than cats, as they need to learn basic obedience commands and how to interact with other dogs and people. Cats, on the other hand, are typically self-sufficient and do not require as much training or socialization. In the end, the decision to get a cat or a dog should be based on your lifestyle, preferences, and ability to provide for their needs. Both animals can make wonderful pets and provide companionship and love to their owners. Ultimately, the choice comes down to which animal fits best with your personality, living environment, and lifestyle. There are also some potential health benefits to owning a pet, whether it's a cat or a dog. Studies have shown that pets can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and can even lower blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart disease. Pets can also provide a sense of companionship and social support, which can be particularly beneficial for people who live alone or who are going through a difficult time. However, owning a pet is not for everyone. It is important to consider whether you have the time, resources, and ability to provide for a pet's needs before making the commitment to adopt one. Pets require a significant amount of attention, care, and love, and it is important to be prepared for the responsibilities that come with pet ownership. In conclusion, whether you are a cat person or a dog person, both animals can make wonderful pets and provide companionship and love to their owners. The choice between owning a cat or a dog ultimately comes down to personal preference and lifestyle. Whatever your choice may be, it is important to provide your pet with proper care, attention, and love to ensure that they are happy and healthy. It is also worth mentioning that there are many cats and dogs in animal shelters waiting for their forever homes. Adopting a pet from a shelter can be a rewarding experience and can give a second chance to an animal in need. Shelters often have a variety of cats and dogs of different ages, breeds, and temperaments, so it is possible to find the perfect pet for your lifestyle and personality. It is important to remember that pet ownership is a long-term commitment. Cats can live up to 20 years and dogs can live up to 15 years or more, so it is important to be prepared for the responsibilities of pet ownership for the entirety of their life. This includes providing them with proper nutrition, exercise, veterinary care, and attention. In conclusion, the decision to get a cat or a dog should be based on your personal preferences, lifestyle, and ability to provide for their needs. Both animals can make wonderful pets and provide love and companionship to their owners. However, owning a pet is a significant responsibility, and it is important to be prepared for the long-term commitment of pet ownership. Adopting a pet from a shelter can also be a rewarding experience and can give a second chance to an animal in need. It's also important to consider the activity level and exercise needs of cats and dogs. Dogs generally require more exercise than cats, as they have a higher energy level and need daily walks or runs to maintain their physical and mental health. Cats, on the other hand, are more independent and are typically content with indoor playtime and brief periods of activity. Additionally, cats are known for their grooming habits and generally require less maintenance than dogs. Cats groom themselves regularly and do not typically require baths, while dogs need regular grooming and bathing to keep their coats healthy and clean. Ultimately, whether you choose a cat or a dog as a pet, it's important to do your research and understand the needs and characteristics of each animal. By providing proper care, attention, and love, you can ensure a happy and healthy life for your furry companion. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And check description below video.